Hi everyone. I really wanted to open this package when I first got it, but I was just too sick. So I really want to see what it looks like. This is Felicity Jane. Oh, okay. Let's see. This is Madison. Oh, so the little mini envelopes. Oh, how cute. I did a tan layout using the little envelope die, and I loved it, so that's cool. Then we have so much stuff. Hello. Let me do the cards. So they do these what are they called? Vellum pocket fronts, and they're fun. I have a lot of those. Here's the die cut shapes. Try and get it close. Beauty, comfy. Stop licking. Stop. Okay, and they're stamp set. I can do this. You are enough. Oh, let me put it closer. So New Year, same awesome men. But it's me. So, okay. And then you get little tags. They're little embossed tags. Oh, they're cute. They're vanilla and they're embossed. That's cute. This kit has been out for a while, so that's how come I'm rushing through it, because I'm sure you've already seen it, but I really wanted to unbox it on camera. Oh, this is great for like Project Life. They're so teeny tiny. I mean, look at the size of my non-existent nail. Oh, and you get numbers. Love it. And then, let's see about this. So you get love. They're one-sided. I told Cheyenne, because Cheyenne's in New Orleans right now, and I said, okay, babe, take lots of pictures, because I know that I got this new Felicity Jane kit, and I need inspiration. So you're my muse. Enjoy the beauty of becoming. So so hopefully she's taking lots of pictures. Cool. Okay. And then here is the last. Here's the papers. Oh, so pretty. Very, very pretty. And we're already into the third week of January, so the sneak peek should be coming out next week. Oh my goodness, you guys, time is flying by. All right, we'll see you all next month. Bye.